How's it going? We're here for day 319 of Fergus Gahan's Fiddle Tune a Day, and I have Martin O'Connor, world famous extraordinaire box player.
I wouldn't go that far. But,
as I say, don't meet your heroes unless this happens to be your hero. Legend of a man. Thanks, Martin.
Oh, great to be here.
And we're going to play
in my own kitchen.
in Martin's own kitchen. We've had the coffee and the cakes, and it's time for the lark in the morning.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Thanks a million, Martin.
Alright.
Corner for 320.